Hey, for those of you that are watching this little intro clip that they had me put on this YouTube page, do you like cars? Do you like going fast? Do you like learning about things? Do you like mechanics? Do you like supercars? Or, in my case, a poor man's supercar? If so, then this is the channel for you. Especially for those of you that want to follow a journey of a YouTuber that's trying to make it in 2019. That's me. So, if you enjoy this, watch the rest of my videos and enjoy this page and help me along on my journey. I'll enjoy every second of it, as you will too, with a little bit of humor in there as well. So, let's get rolling. This is Dual Spool R2U. We'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and we'll see you guys in another video. Peace.